Okay, we're going to show their ability Ethan's ability really, to do letters and numbers.
You ready? No, Daddy's doing it.
Good job. Z, good job.
What? That's not a
Try again. What number?
What is that?
What number?
8. You know that.
Y.
No, not a Y.
Try again.
A Y.
No, what is that?
A Y.
No, it's not. What is it?
A Y.
No.
A Y.
Here, watch. A W. You're not doing very good. Double boo. What is that?
P.
B.
V.
What is that?
O.
Oh.
C.
Where you going?
3, good job. M, good job. 4, good job. E. You know what that one is?
No.
Another J.
That's a tough one. That's an H. H.
Yeah.
Um,
Try a J.
What's that?
P.
Maybe wants to do this one.
J.
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 What
Yeah.
about...
Good job.
What's that? S.
6. Do like a U or something.
What's that?
7.
What's that? V. It kind of looks like a V. It's a U. Let's try this one again. Hey,
Oh, Ethan, go to get a drink.
you're no parched.
Y.
Not a Y. No. That's a Y. Right? So what's this one?
Double wheel?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, what's that one?
That's not a Y.
Are y'all done?
Yeah.
Can you sing your ABCs? H, K,
Boy, I'm pretty shy
N,
now.
O,
Can you
P.
count to 10?
Can you count to 10? 3.
Count to 10.
1, 4, 5. You can do it.
Nope. Can't do it, Mom.
Okay.
Can't do
Are y'all
it.
done?
What are you doing? Did you draw that? What is that? Kind of looks like a 7. Or a V. Turn it that way. What is it now? What's that? What's that? What? What's that? What's that? So
Say bye. Say bye.
Later.
Picture, yep.
You're Ethan.
Say bye-bye picture.
Bye-bye, picture.
Bye-bye picture.
Bye-bye, Evan.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.